Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for search engine optimization using Chrome extension called AIPRM for ChatGPT. So go ahead and go to Google and type ChatGPT SEO Extension. Usually it's going to be #1 search result. So go ahead and go to AIPRM for ChatGPT. Now here on this screen, go ahead and click on Add to Chrome button, Add Extension. So now that the SEO extension has been installed, every time you go to ChatGPT, it will automatically open this screen until you uninstall that extension again. So this is going to be your new default SEO dashboard. So basically, this is a collection of 1012 SEO prompts ready for you to use for all kinds of SEO purposes. You can outrank an article, write Midjourney prompts, do keyword strategy. So I'm going to try this one out and type keyword phrase improve SEO. And so what's going to happen is ChatGPT is going to create this table with keywords, search intent, title, and meta description. Basically, what it's doing is giving you a list of ideas to write on that subject, but it's also using SEO optimized keywords and phrases that are likely to do well on search engines like Google. Of course, every time you do this, it's going to be different, but here we have top 10 tips to improve on-page SEO. Here we also have backlink strategies for SEO with meta description. Improve your SEO with effective backlink strategies that can help boost your search engine rankings. And it's going to build this table of different ideas just based on a single keyword or phrase you type into this prompt. And that's just one prompt. This extension has 1,000 of prompts and it's always growing. In fact, just as I was making this tutorial, I noticed that the number of SEO prompts has increased by 1. So now there's 1,013. So it's always growing. Here you can write a complete book in one-click blog post, and basically just navigate this list to see if you can use any of these prompts for your own SEO content strategy. All of them, because there's just too many. Other human-like rewrite, which you can use to rewrite your AI-generated articles to make them read as if a real human has written. You can use this other GPT prompt for auditing your existing content for SEO, create better content outlines, and the basic idea is usually the same. You type a keyword and it's going to generate a whole bunch of stuff for you.